Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether Google Chat can actually replace Slack for team communication in 2025 or if it's still lagging behind in key areas. Google Chat integrates directly with Gmail and Google Workspace, offering threaded conversations, file sharing, bots, spaces for projects, and smooth integration with Google Docs, Meet, and Calendar, making it deal for teams already in the Google ecosystem. But while it's fast, easy to use, and improving steadily, it still lacks some of Slack's deeper workflow customization, third-party integrations, and robust channel management. So, if your team needs basic collaboration tightly woven into your existing Google tools, Chat is a solid Slack alternative. But if you rely on advanced automation, complex integrations, and cross-team channels, Slack still leads in 2025. That's the full breakdown. Choose the one that fits your team style and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons every week.